Good day, students. I hope everybody is doing fine and ready for this lesson for today. Now, today we're going to look at Microsoft Publisher. Now, you need to understand that Microsoft Publisher is also inside Microsoft Office. Now, remember, we have already looked at Microsoft Word, we have already looked at Microsoft Excel, we have already looked at Microsoft PowerPoint, right? And today we are therefore going to look at Microsoft Publisher. Now, Microsoft Publisher is one of those applications, that people don't normally use, right? But it's one of the most interesting application that you'll probably fall in love with after this lesson. Now, how do we open Microsoft Publisher? So you come right here to your search, and then you can type in Publisher. There you go. Or you can even type in Microsoft Publisher. So I have it here, right here, Publisher 2013. It's showing 2013 right here because I've actually installed Microsoft Office 2013. I don't know if you have 2013, or you maybe have 2017, or maybe you have 2007, or maybe 2010 or 2013. So I don't know what version you have, but I have a 2013 version at the moment. So once you have this popping up, you double click on it to open. Okay, now once you double click on it to open, and then you will have this. Now once you have this, you probably want to first understand what is Microsoft Publisher. What are the uses of Microsoft Publisher? Now, Microsoft Publisher is mainly just a desktop publishing program that you can use to create a wide assortment, or that helps you to basically design professional publications, right? Such as event flyers, such as thank you cards for your customers, such as birthday gift coupons, such as event banners. So there are basically hundreds and hundreds of templates that are pre-designed already for you. Okay, so you can actually create as well a document from scratch if you want to, but it's much more easier for you to use the templates that are already designed for you. Okay, so let's say for instance you want to design maybe a thank you card for your client. Your client is probably coming every single time to the office. So what you do, okay, I thought maybe you didn't see that. So I have, okay, this is a thinking of you card. So let's try to look for a thank you card. We have one here. And by the way, we also have a search here. If you want to search for certain templates, you just click there and you type it whatever templates you want to. For example, maybe a calendar. All right, I will search there and enter. All right, and it will search online, and it will give me different templates here of calendar. So look here. So we have different thousands of templates that you can possibly imagine. But in this case, let's say that you perhaps want to design a thank you card for your client. So basically what you do, you just double click here, and it will show you how it will look like. So these are the whole thank you card. So it's still downloading. So you can actually for you to get more templates, make sure that you're connected online. It will bring up all the templates that you can possibly imagine. So once you click on that template, it needs to pop up here. Do you guys see this? So this is a thank you card for me. There you have it. So for me, it shows this is the front part and the back part. So how do I edit this? So you just click here. So if I click here, you see here I'm able to erase this and maybe write it with capital letter, thank you, and maybe again you want to put it in capital letters, thank you. Okay, do you see that? So what if you still want to add some certain text here? Maybe you want to add some certain text. So what you basically do, you come to insert, and once you go to insert and then you come to draw text box, I click on this, and then I just drag like this and stop there, and maybe then you write your message like maybe thank you for coming through, whatever message you want to basically have there. So I'm going to increase the size. Okay, you see here, thank you for coming through. So it's not clear, so obviously I want to change my color. I come to phone color. Okay, what, maybe yellow? Okay, yellow is coming out great. Blue is a bit, so maybe we use yellow. Yeah, let's try to use yellow. I'm going to use yellow and maybe just bold it a bit. Okay, okay, just try to. All right, so there we have it. If I want to basically move it a little bit this side, you just drag. There you go. So you have it there. You see, thank you for coming through. Thank you. And maybe here behind here at the back of the card, you maybe want to put something again. So you click on the text box and then you draw a text box right there. And if you still want to put something there, maybe you want to put some business information, you come to business information, and then it will give you also different fields what you perhaps want to put there. For me, I'll probably want to put the phone, fax, and email for the company. So once I do that, it will bring everything here already written. So the only thing I need to do, let me just try to zoom in for you to see very well. Okay, so can you guys see, once I clicked on business information, it brings me up here. It brings up all this information. So all I need to do is just edit it. Maybe phone number is 061 2200 and fax number, and maybe in the email. So if you want to change the color again for your font, you come here and maybe change it to yellow again, right? So it's all up to you, like how you want to design your card. So if I come here, look at that. Thank you for coming through. Thank you. And this, and then you send the card to your client. Now imagine how your client will feel like, rather than you stressing every single time, oh no, we need an IT person to come and design for us this is something that you can do yourself in a blink of an eye. So if you're happy about it and you want to see how it will appear, you come to print and see how it will appear once you print it out. Let's have a look at it. There you go. So this is basically how so obviously when the card comes, you fold it this way, yeah, or this way. Okay, so in front and at the back, and then maybe whatever, you can write anything inside if you want to. So that's all up to you. Okay, so do you guys see how interesting is that? So once you're done, you come to file and then you save as, then you're done. All right, if you want to open another new, you come to new again, and then maybe this time around, what do you want to do? Okay, let's see what maybe, there's a lot of things that you can do here. Maybe it's probably you're even getting married or something. All right, so you can use Publisher to design your own invitation card for your marriage or for your auntie. So you have a template right here that you can still play around with. It comes with everything. If you want to edit, you just, especially the picture, you click on it. You come to picture tools. Okay. Yeah, you just mainly play around with it. Look, if I do this, you see how it's changing and all that. So eventually everything just depends on how you want it to look like, and all you do is just edit this. And also if you want to change the color of the page, okay, you basically just come to page design, you come to background, and you choose different colors that you want. Oops, sorry for that. Okay, you come here and you can choose any colors that you perhaps want to have. There you have it. Okay, let's see if we have some more background colors. All right, so that's all up to you. I can actually choose even, okay, hold on. I come to equity, so you can come, if you come to apex, you come to background, it will give you some apex colors there. So it's all up to you. If you come to concourse and you come to background, to give you all this design colors that you want. And you know, I mean, it's very simple, and you can just design anything you want the way you want, so you just play around with it. So there you have it. Okay, so basically now what I'm gonna want from you, I want you guys to design for me a calendar. Okay, a calendar. I want you guys to also design, what can you possibly design? Okay, so I'm going to list down everything that I want you all to design, and you design it using Publisher, and then you upload it. And by the way, this is going to count. There are some people that do not have their CAs, so this is an opportunity to make sure that you design the best. All right, so having said that, I wish you guys the best in the next activity that you'll be doing, project activity in other words. And then this should go on for the whole entire week, and you should finish this by next week Wednesday. Thank you.